So you can see here that there's this little detent, and this is what keeps the battery in the bike. And when you put the key in and turn it, nothing happens to the detent. What they didn't tell you is that you have to push in and then turn, and that allows the detent to fully retract. And once that's done, you can pop it right out of there. On to tip number 2. You have to go ahead and raise the handlebars, and then you lock it down with this lock right here. But what's confusing in the instructions is how to get it unlocked. Let me show you. To unlock it, you have to pull this knob up. I was pushing it down, pushing it back, but if you pull it up, everything comes unlocked, and then it folds down for transport. The next tip is that the handlebars have to be tightened down, and there's this little knob right here where you can turn it to tighten the lever, and that'll lock the handlebars in place. The other thing is, you notice that the handlebars have this hatched area, and to make sure that everything is even, that hatched area has to be behind here. And be sure you tighten this down, and then you can lock it in. Now this also allows you to adjust the handlebars up and down to where it's comfortable for your riding style. On to the next tip. When you want to lock the bike in place to ride it, obviously you have to push this down, but this is a critical step. This is a safety notch right here, and you need to be sure this is pushed down, and that keeps the handle from coming undone. On to the next tip. Once you raise the seat post to the desired height, of course you have to adjust the lever here to lock it in place, just like you did with the handlebars. But what you may not realize is that the seat is loose. So be sure you tighten that down at the desired angle where you like to ride it.